Good morning, guys. We're gonna go running today, me and my sister-in-law. So yeah, I'll be right back. Maya, did your mommy just leave you out of the room to take a selfie?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, Naya looks so sad. Max, go play with your girlfriend. Actually, this is your girlfriend, and that's your best friend. Yeah? Okay. So I'm gonna put a hat on one of my dogs, and she hates it, so... Come here. She don't like it. How about you? You like this? There you go, Max. Look at the camera. Look. Look. Look at the camera. Look. You have to look at the camera. Say hi, people. Show them your cowboy hat. Say it's pink for Breast Awareness Month. Is that what it's called? And then this girl, she just wants to get pet. I want to get pet. Okay, I pet you. Okay, Bella, you need to go in your cage. Go in your cage. Good girl. Max doesn't know how. Come on, Max, go in your cage. Don't look at me. Come on. Go. Go in your cage. Hey. Good boy. Naya, go in your cage. Go in your cage. Go. Go. Go.
She's not gonna listen to you.
She doesn't listen to me. She has to listen to her mother.
Go on, go. Go.
Go in your cage. Go. Go. Oh. Yay. We're finally home. And then there she is. Drink your water. Drink your water. Oh, at least it wasn't too... Yeah, you flexed it, girl. At least it wasn't too hot today. Well, it was kind of hot, but it wasn't like 100-something degrees. So, yeah. Hi, guys. So, we're gonna go bike riding today or motorcycle riding today. We actually have to go run a quick errand, and we don't want to use a car. So, yeah, and I'm not driving it. I can't even touch the ground with it. I'm really short. So, if we had to drive it, it would be so fun. Like, me and my husband just... But I'm gonna show you guys the bike real quick. Right, so we're gonna go, me and my husband, and I'll put on footage of our ride. So, I'll catch you guys later. Alright, there. We just came back from Office Depot, as my mom will call it, our Office Depot. But, yeah. So I'm gonna be making shrimp pasta for dinner, and I'm so excited to eat. I haven't even got started because I have to wash dishes, so yeah. Yay, wine and dine. My dinner is done, and while I'm watching Supernatural. Alright guys, so that's the end of my vlogs, and I do appreciate you guys watching it, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, and like I said, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys. So good night.